Hello children, welcome to Science classes, and today again we'll discuss the chapter Measurement and Motion, and this is the second lecture. In this I'll tell you what is rest and motion, and children, different types of motion, which is very important. So first of all, you should know what the term rest and motion means. Anything is at rest means कोई रुकी हुई चीज़. But children, if the object is at rest, it is not changing its position, but it should be with respect to its immediate surrounding. And anything, any object is said to be in motion when it keeps on changing its position with respect to its immediate surrounding. Like when we talk about two friends sitting in a car and going somewhere. So these two students or friends जो कार के अंदर बैठे हैं, in respect to each other, they are said to be at rest. But outside the car, there are lots of people. For them, they are in motion. Okay? कार के अंदर दोनों बैठे हुए हैं, both are at rest. But when we compare about them with the outer environment, it is said to be in motion. So mountains are there, the electric poles are there, these are at rest. But the train, the butterfly, the animal moving, these are all said to be in motion, children. So rest and motion, we have to see in respect to its immediate surrounding. Okay? Now children, a very important topic, that is types of motion. Now if you go to a garden, you must have seen lots of people walking, jogging, they are cycling, doing exercise and yoga. And on the road, the vehicles are moving, people are moving around. If you go to railway station, the trains are moving, lots of people are there. So we see different type of motion in a garden. Suppose in a garden when we talk. So first motion, type of motion is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear means any sort of motion, children, when it is in a straight line, सीधी line में जब कोई motion होता है, then it is said to be rectilinear, or it can be said as linear motion. Very simple. So there are lots of examples. Any vehicle moving on a straight path, the light from the bulb or the light coming from the sun and stars, they always travel in the straight line. So these are the common and the best example of rectilinear motion. Second, children, second is curvilinear motion. Now we are talking about a garden, and there are lots of children are playing with ball. So one child, when he or she is throwing the ball, it travels, or suppose people are playing cricket and the batsman hit the ball for a 6. So that 6, it is going in a curved line. So that is curvilinear motion. So any motion which is in the curved path or curved line is said to be curvilinear motion. So I have told you the example, vehicle moving on a curved or the zigzag path, cricketer hitting a ball to 6, these are curvilinear motion. Next is rotation or rotational motion, या rotatory motion. Now it is also a type of circular motion. Rotatory means ये एक circular motion का type है बेटा. But here you must have seen in the park, और जब आप मेला जाते हैं तो merry go round, वो giant wheels are there. So spinning top जो लट्टू होता है, तो this all move on one particular axis, that is its center. Or the common thing everybody knows, earth is spinning, the spinning of the earth, on its own axis is said to be rotatory motion. So any type of motion or movement, when it moves on a particular axis, children, is said to be rotatory motion. So example, I have told you merry-go-round is there, spinning top is there, spinning of the earth on its own axis is said to be rotatory motion. Next, when we talk about revolution. Now, what is revolution? Now, it is again a very simple sort of motion, but here, यहाँ पर क्या होता है? It is any object is moving on a not on its axis, but on an orbit. किसी एक orbit पर जब कोई चीज़ move करती है, it is said to be revolution. Like the earth revolves around the sun on a fixed orbit, और all the planets, जितने भी planets हैं, ये एक fixed orbit पर revolve करते हैं. So any sort of motion when it moves along a particular orbit is said to be revolution. And the commonest example is earth moving around the sun, which takes 365 1/4 days, by which seasons change. एक साल जो होता है पूरा 1 year. So earth moves around the sun. One round takes 365 1/4 days, in which we see lots of change of season, summer, winter, autumn, spring. तो जो change of season है, that is due to revolution. And day and night, दिन और रात का होना, that is due to rotatory motion, children. तो earth अपने एक axis पर it takes 24 hours. तो दिन और रात, that is due to rotation, and revolution, that is change of season. Now next is oscillatory motion. Children, what is this? To and fro motion, repeated motion, back and forth, आगे पीछे, or we can say any sort of repeated motion, that is to and fro motion. In this park, हमने अभी park का scene, आप imagine the scene of park, children swinging, जिसको हम हिंदी में पेंग बोलते हैं, झूला. तो swing is the common example of oscillatory motion. Pendulum of the clock is oscillatory motion. But you must remember one thing, children, when this oscillatory motion आगे और पीछे, just imagine the pendulum of the clock. But what happens when it is oscillatory motion? But when this oscillation increase, then it becomes vibratory motion. Oscillatory is slow, but when the motion becomes faster, it becomes vibratory motion, and all the musical instrument, guitar, sitar, it shows vibratory motion. Okay, children? So now we will discuss about periodic and non-periodic motion. Periodic motion क्या होता है? When any motion repeats itself after regular constant interval of time. मतलब जैसे now we are having online classes, everybody knows. तो आपका we have a timetable. Suppose Monday first period you have science. So again on Monday first period will be science. So this is a repeated motion after regular constant interval of time. It is said to be periodic. Common example, children, hands of clock, then earth revolving around the sun, Halley's comet, सबको पता है Halley's comet, which is seen once in 76 years. So these are periodic motion, and it is also uniform motion. Next is non-periodic motion, मतलब जो motion regular interval time पर अपने आप को repeat ना करे, that is non-periodic motion. In that you can see the example, any player playing either hockey or cricket or football in the playground. It is not at all fixed. Suppose you are running, you are cycling, and the path is zigzag. You will not repeat this motion after every regular interval of time. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप मंडे भी सेम तरह से साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं और लाइक दैट. सो दैट इज नॉन पीरियोडिक मोशन चिल्ड्रन. ओके. अच्छा, वन मोर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑसिलेटरी आई कैन टेल यू. द रिंगिंग ऑफ द बेल, जो पूजा की घंटी होती है, आपने सबने घर में देखा होगा. तो दैट इज अगेन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. So these we have discussed about different motion. Okay, hope you like it, my video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel children. Thank you.